in a normal setting, like a college setting, you wouldn't be learning this quickly, but you come here and you're like, wow, am I going to be able to grasp these concepts this quickly? And there's no real downside to it. The speed is, you take no loss for the speed, it's just like you learn faster.
They used 1150's curriculum as a base of what generally students would learn, but they've actually built upon that and kind of made it stronger. And you know, like my gold certificate, it says right on it, you know, Interapt / 1150, and it just makes me real proud to know I got it.
I have some experience, but I don't have a lot, and there were some things that I didn't quite grasp when we started it, and I thought for sure I was drowning with all the information, and I just didn't grasp it. But later that week was like my aha moment, like, oh my goodness, all this is finally starting to make sense. I can actually make something.
I was working on a project, and I guess I misread the instructions, and so I said, well, no, you need to do it like this. I thought, I can do that. And I just turned around and I just wrote something, and it worked the first time. I mean, usually when I write something, there's always some kind of error, and I have to fix it, whether it's syntax or whatever. But I just thought about it in my head how I wanted it to work, and then I just wrote it, and it worked. And I was like, just kind of taken, I guess.
So far we've learned HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and we just started iOS, which is for Apple, the programming language Apple uses.
In just I think 4.5 weeks, I've learned enough with JavaScript and now Swift that of the 2 projects we were working on, the tip calculator and library, I've managed to get almost both projects done in less than a day.
I really enjoy my time here. I actually enjoy getting up and coming to work now. It's a really good program, I feel like, and I actually feel good that people have confidence in us, that we're from Eastern Kentucky. We've always got the bottom end of the shaft, I feel like, and now I finally feel like we're getting an opportunity to excel.
It's been an interesting ride, and I would suggest anybody, if they have the opportunity, to do this.